Welcome back everyone. If you're new to the channel, on this channel I share about my farming journey. On today's video, I'll show you how to make mango acha. This is one of the most profitable business I do. This is one of the most profitable business you can do. With mangoes, you should use the small mangoes. Don't use the fully developed ones which have started to develop the mango stone, the seed which you find inside a mango. I had to look for more mangoes, so I was driving around trying to ask people if they can sell me their mangoes. So the challenge which you might face is that people want to sell you mangoes when they are fully grown, and at that stage they don't really give you good archer because they know that if they are harvesting their mangoes when they're still small, it will take time for those mangoes to fill up a full crate, and the full crate they were selling at 50 rand. So this business is so profitable in this way. I bought those crate for 50 rand one, and then here I came with my mangoes, and then they were only charging me 80 rand per crate. So we have to wash my mangoes so that we can remove all the dirt on the mangoes. So after cleaning the mangoes, they are cutting, they're processing them at that machine. From that machine, then they're putting spice and everything which is needed. So they do that only at that cost of 80 rand per crate. So here they're really mixing. So after mixing everything together, they put this thing into an airtight plastic. Your plastic have to be really airtight to the point where no air should enter your plastic, because if air then enter your plastic, it means you will be having rotten archer. The archer won't really process well when there's air entering your plastic. So you have to be really extra careful. Then here we were separating those mango stones, the seeds which were then developing on the mangoes which we used, which were almost ready for harvest. So you have to really use mangoes which are still small. This is the reason why I say Arch I have money. I only spent 50 rand to pay people from my local community. I was paying 50 rand per crate. Then here I paid 80 rand for the process. All in all, I can say I spent only 130 per one big plastic bag. And this plastic bag, they are really big. This camera is not doing me justice. Then I will have to buy oil. And then the one thing you should do with oil, ne, you buy oil and then this other, they call it dye. The red thing which you will put on your oil, then put it on your acha. And then I will have to also buy salt and then garlic to add a good flavor onto the acha, and even chilies. So one of the thing which you can do when you buy oil, you don't mix it with the whole acha. Just leave that acha alone, and then when you have an order, you mix your acha with that oil, because if you mix oil with that whole acha, you will be spending a lot of money. So what I do, I mix per order. I only just selling two of these. I've just made profit of 70 rand because I sell one for 100. So if I sell two, I've just made 270 rand profit.